So, coming back to BJ Ball, where we've done a life cycle analysis, how does it impact on us and our clients?
Well, I imagine the life cycle analysis that BJ Ball would have done would have shown that, in fact, a company like this would be a fairly small emitter of carbon, because you haven't got out in your warehouses here big equipment that's sort of burning coal and oil and all that, so and spitting out lots of fumes into the atmosphere. You are effectively what I would categorise as a low emitter, and for most of your customers, and your customer base would also probably fit into that category as well. I mean, sure, they've got printing machines and guillotines and pre-press technologies, but they have not shoveling coal and oil into it, and they're certainly not pumping out great big plumes of CO2. They are users of electricity, of course, and that will impact on their business. So for you, I think the impact is going to be rather indirect. You may, because of some of your suppliers, I mean, you do consume electricity with air conditioning and lighting and anything that consumes electricity is going to have some potential for increased costs. So you may see a component of your electricity costs going forward is going to be attributed to the carbon tax, but it may also mean that some of the companies that you can choose to buy your electricity from, rather than pass the tax on to you, they may in fact not pass the tax on because they put in new, efficient, low carbon technologies. You know, for example, for an electricity producer in Australia, the perfect opportunity is for them to supplement their coal-fired power stations, with wind and solar. And on the coastline, we can use wave technology. There's an excellent an example on the south coast of an experiment with wave technology in terms of generating electricity. For your clients that exist in other parts of the country, like for example South Australia, there's geothermal. So we can actually draw energy from deep underneath the ground, and these technologies replace carbon or replace carbon-based fuels like coal. And give you a lower base. And so it's a matter of how those companies want to pass those costs on, or if they want to retain that, if you like, that benefit of becoming an efficient electricity producer and therefore not paying the tax and see that as the advantage. So the impact on your business, I think, will be fairly small.